We visited our country's biggest chocolate factory.
Oh my god.
There is so much chocolate that it's impossible to eat everything. There are even types like sausage chocolate or... wait. Pig blood chocolate?
Oh, that's fucking disgusting!
We tried our best to eat them all.
Good morning, guys. Just woke up.
Let's go.
We're inside.
Yo, what's up? My name is Chris. You probably know me, the better looking half of us. Yeah, here we're in the chocolate cinema of the factory and we started our tour. Here's the factory.
Try them.
No.
I think it tastes good.
What do you think, guys? Here's some chocolate powder and milk powder.
So good.
Oh my god, guys, look at this.
Oh my god. It just tastes so good.
This is chocolate popcorn, guys.
This is a chocolate robot. You can order which type of chocolate you want. Oh my god, guys. These chocolate balls, they are so good. It's coconut filling inside. This is also so good.
Do you like it here?
Yes.
Here are some chocolate balls.
What are we doing now?
We're going to the animal park.
AK to the zoo. Let's go inside there.
This chocolate factory has a zoo.
The real gangster shit.
Cool.
Mom and dad taking longer.
Ich glaube, ich muss das nur scheißen gehen, sonst wird das
He said he has to take a shit.
not now. Maybe later. I don't know. I just ate so much chocolate, it's messing with my stomach a bit.
Here's the castle.
That's the place Chris belongs to. There's a slide. I always used to go down there, and then I always hurt myself. I've never had so good strawberries. There's always been this pink car. I don't know where Chris is. I think he's shitting his pants right now. Let's go down. This guy's dangerous, bro. Okay, help me. Oh my god, bro. Shit.
Yes. Ten out of 10. Lime and thyme.
Flo didn't like them, but I really like them.
Oh, wow. Plums. Wow.
Sweet. I'm doing this parkour. I'm doing this parkour.
What's-
I'm doing this parkour. Chris is over there. I'm gonna go try and scare him.
These are Flo's friends. So, Tornado. Ooh. Here's the chocolate graveyard.
Here are types of chocolate that existed some time ago.
Flo can't see me.
This is the last station. And here's the shop. Guys, look at all this chocolate.
I just farted in the car.
Now we went to a vinegar factory.
Oh, look at this place. Insane. Look at this place. That's crazy. Beautiful. Small update for you guys. Right now we're searching for something to eat.
We want to go to KFC, but they don't want to.
We want to go to KFC, but
Our parents don't want this.
and the problem is today is Monday, so everything is closed. Let's go KFC.